What's going on, DeFi Moneyverse? Shouts out to all my YouTube subs. I just passed 1,000 subscribers. That means so much to me. I really appreciate it, guys. Totally, totally. But I want to congratulate all of you who are watching my videos and just everybody in the crypto space, period. All the retail investors who are still here. Because all the people, the majority of the people who got into crypto and thought crypto was just a get rich overnight, situation, they're gone. This is the cleansing period is in the bear market. The bear market tends to cleanse itself of insolvent exchanges to, all the nonsense, dumb money, right? The smart money is in this space right now. If you're still in this space, you're the smart money, right? Now you might say, Deuce, how's that possible when institutions dump Bitcoin on us? Well, I say that because you're the smart money, because you understand that this is the time where the millionaires are created. These opportunities in the winter, right? Crypto winter in the bear market. Sure, we could still go lower. Bitcoin could dump another 50%. Alts could dump another 50 to 60%. This is reality. I'm not one of those YouTubers who's just gonna, talk about how high the price of a coin could go without telling you that I think that the market could go lower and that we are in a bear market, right? That's the elephant in the room. Macroeconomic worldly conditions are what we're facing right now. Economic collapse globally, right? As much as we want Bitcoin to be a hedge against inflation, he's not yet, right? I think that day will come one day, and crypto will also decouple from the legacy markets. Okay? We don't know when that'll be. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. But, we could be in a bear market for another year, 2 years. That's possible. That's totally possible. However, with all of that being said, I think that right now there's massive opportunities across the board, and now is the time where diversifying and building out a portfolio is definitely not a bad idea, right? It's not a bad idea, right? Because in a bull market, things are moving so fast, you cannot catch up unless you're a trader and unless you're highly skilled and know what you're doing and know how to read charts, right? But for the most part, right now is the time where the millionaires are created. Because like I said, I'm seeing cryptos, even though a lot of these alts and the whole crypto market could dump another 40 to 50%. Right now, today, the day of this voice note, I'm seeing cryptos that are 30x from their all-time high. I mean, oh my gosh, man, right? Some of them may not recover, right? But a lot of them will, okay? And as I mentioned before, this is the time where you spend all the hours into researching, right? In the bear market, because things are moving slow. This is the time to educate yourself on what a layer 0 is, or what a layer 1 is, a layer 2 is, what's a DAG, what's a blockchain, how to read charts. This is the time to equip yourself and arm yourself with information, that will help you win in the next bull run, right? Even though we don't know when that'll be. We know we got a halving coming up, but we also know that we're in a recession. They say we're not in a recession, but I've been screaming we're in a recession for like the past 4 months, like literally, right? But how I'm playing this, and how I've been playing this, is I've just been, cashing up, saving cash, right? And just dollar cost averaging, keeping in mind that these alts could dump another 50%. But there's also a possibility that they won't. Because now the opposite of what happens in the bear market is happening. So when it's a bull market, everybody's calling for 100K Bitcoin, 100K Bitcoin sitting at 30K. People call for 100K Bitcoin. Boom. So Bitcoin doesn't go to 100K. It runs to 60, 69K. Dumps back down. Boosh. So now you got people calling for 10K Bitcoin, 13K Bitcoin, 10K Bitcoin, 7K Bitcoin. It's like, what? Okay. So me understanding that or my perspective on that is market makers see all of the articles and all the YouTube videos that are being created about where they think the price will go. They see all of the analytics. They have all this analytical data that tells them what the sentiment is and where people think the market's going to go. So if everybody thinks we're going to get a 10K Bitcoin, will it happen? Maybe, maybe not. But here's the deal. If everybody thought that we're going to 13 or 10K Bitcoin, they would just start shorting right now, right? And if they did that, right, they'd make a shitload of money going down. So why would the market makers let that happen? Yeah, see? If the market makers know everybody wants Bitcoin to go to 10 to 13K, would the market makers let it happen? Don't know. I tend to think no, right? But who knows? Who knows? I see 13K on the chart. I see mid 13K on the chart, right? And so Bitcoin could just bounce around until he gets down to that range, right? Or he could just do it in one death candle, like literally, right? So we'll see how this plays out, man. I'm hanging in there. I'm not too worried about where things are going. I know this is going to pan out one day and return back to bullish sentiment and whatnot. And now's just the time to cake up, man. And just be careful, you know. If you have to, you know, get a side hustle to generate some extra income so that you can use it for investing in your stocks and your cryptos and whatnot. It's not a bad idea. This is the time to do that. You don't want to be doing that in the bull market, right? This is the time where you definitely want to do things like that. You know, analyzing your spending. How are you spending? Are you shopping too much? Are you buying too much garbage, things you don't need? Do you have too many things in your wardrobe that you don't need that you can sell to get more money? You know, to buy more stocks, to buy more crypto, right? You know, there's not bad ideas when it comes to trying to come up with extra money that you can put into the market, right? So yeah, it's definitely the time to be the most bullish on the opportunity. If you're not as bullish on crypto, it's definitely the time to be bullish on the market, man. Because like I said, we could be doing this song and dance for another, who knows, 6 months or a year and a half. And if you ask me honestly, I think that last year, May, was the top of the bull market. I think that was the top. What we had in November was a fluke. It was just a double top, right? If you look at the monthly chart or the 2-month chart, it looks like a double top and then a dump, right? So I'm just going to continue the dollar cost average, keep researching, right? And try to find the next gem, the next altcoin that has the most promising tech and the best use case, right, for a real-world application, right? Because in the bear market is where you can get those projects dirt cheap. You know, once the market gets bullish again, we'll go into the markup phase, right? And in the markup phase, a crypto like A0, by the time you come across it, you know, we just getting the bull market started. You could be looking at A0, it's sitting at $5. Right now it's sitting at 66 cents, right? LCX could be trading at 20, 25 cent, you know, at the beginning of the bull market, you know. At the end of the bull market, I think it'll break $1, $2, $3. I think it'll get up there easily, right? Who knows where Glitch will be? I think Glitch will break all-time highs. They got their main net, final phase of their main net coming end of the year, right? Cadena, I think Cadena will do crazy numbers by that time. We already got people building on their ecosystem, right? TrueBit, who knows where TrueBit will be at that time too, right? You know, if TrueBit could be trading at multiple dollars, there's a possibility for that, right? What else we got? We got Paribus. I think Paribus will be doing well next bull market. Okay. But these are cryptos that I've already discussed in the DeFi Money First Telegram group. And I will be dropping some more jewels, some more gems in there over the course of the bear market. But enjoy those while you can. Because at some point, I will only be releasing those crypto gems or new crypto gems to Patreons. So if you want to keep getting the gems, you'll have to become a Patreon at some point. But for right now, I will be releasing a few more gems to the DeFi Money First Telegram group, right? That will be picks for the next bull run that I think will do well. All right, people. So like I said, we'll get through this. You know, dollar cost average is the best thing to do. And we don't know when this is going to end or how much uglier it's going to get. And like I said, crypto life balance, you know, try to enjoy your summer, your time away from the charts, because this market ain't going nowhere, right? It'll be here when you get back. Try to enjoy time with friends and family, do stuff with people you love to be around, or just yourself. If you just love being, you know, doing stuff alone, whatever you got to do to, you know, take your mind off of these charts and these depressed prices we're looking at in this bear market. You know, it's definitely not a bad idea. All right, fam. So I will be back soon, and like I said again, we will get through this. Deuce Crypto out.